Good morning to all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sangeeta. First, we will see the marking as well as the syllabus for GS part for GSA exam. Then we will move to the past year paper solution. Okay. So let's see the subject for paper 1. It consists of general studies and duration will be 2 hours and there will be maximum of 100 marks for that. Okay. And for paper 2, geology or hydrology, there will be 2 hours given for that and it will be of 300 marks. So total it comprise of 400 marks combining both. Okay. Same day we were given the paper 1 as well as after some break like for 1 hour, then we will sit for the paper 2 on the same day. Like there is no separate day to attempt this paper 2. We have to give both of these paper on a single day. So if you look and the syllabus for combined geoscientist for the preliminary stage for the paper 1 general studies, so it comprises of current events of national and international importance, history of India, Indian national movements, Indian and world geography, which consists of physical, social, economic geography of India as well as the world, Indian polity, governance, constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, which is very important, public policy, right issues, economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty. We see very like in past 2 years we have seen sustainable development questions, poverty questions, inclusion is not asked yet, demographics, social sector initiatives, and in general issues on environmental ecology is very important. They are asking few questions from this part. Biodiversity, climate change that do not require subject specialization. It means that they are asking these questions from a basic level, like you can cover up to 10th class NCRT or 11th or 12th. That's it. And general science. Let's see the question paper now. In this question paper, while solving them, I will also tell you the reference from where you can read these topics. Okay, now let's start it. Which one of the following pairs of element is found in the free state? So answer will be gold and platinum. Although gold, silver, platinum, copper, they all are found in free state, but sometimes copper and silver they exist in combined state also. So that is why gold and platinum will be the more correct answer for this one. And if you want to look for the reference that from where this question they are asking from, then it is simply from the chapter metals and non-metals of NCRT. You can follow this chapter for this question, these type of questions. It is of class 10th only. Okay. Next is why silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. So it is because it forms silver metal and it is an example of endothermic reaction. But अगर आप गूगल करोगे तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि that when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes into silver and chloride ions. Like here it is given silver ion. But it will not convert to silver ion, it will convert to silver metal. So this is the diagram showing that sunlight is coming, and if in this silver chloride is placed, then it will turn to gray color. It is like kept in china dish. We have seen in our chemistry practical classes. So it is from chapter chemical reaction and equation of NCRT. Okay. It is again of class 10th. Next is pH of the blood is. So if you look at the pH scale, uh, greater than 7 will be basic and less than 7 will be acidic. So our blood is, it is slightly alkaline. So it will be 7.4 instead of 7. Okay, because 7 is for water, which is neutral. So our blood pH is not neutral. It is slightly basic or alkaline. How many valence electrons are present in the Cl negative ion. Okay, so this negative sign plays, so this negative plays an important role while solving this question, because we have studied in chemistry that if a negative sign is placed on any element, then it means an electron can be added in that, and if it is a positive, it means electron can be removed from that. So valence electron will be equal to number of electron in the outermost shell. We have how many shells? K, L, M. Okay, this is how we have studied in chemistry. So K shell can contain 2 electrons, L 8, and M also it can have 8 electrons. But here the atomic number is 17, so 2 plus 8 plus 7, it will be 17. But due to this negative sign, 1 electron can be added, so it will ultimately become 8 to complete its shell. Okay, so they are asking how many valence electrons are present in Cl negative ion, so it will be 8. And to read this, you can study structure of the atom, which is of NCERT book, and it is of 10th class. The tincture of iodine is, so it is the tincture of iodine, it is solvent क्या होगा? Solvent is alcohol and water, while the solute, like if there is a beaker, then there is some solution initially, then we add something to it. So the solution which is present, it is called as solvent, and the thing which we add, it is called solute. So solvent is alcohol and water, while solute is iodine. So it is a solution of iodine in alcohol and water. And it is given in the 9th class of science, which is science is matter around us pure. This is the name of chapter. So you can see that they are mostly asking from 9th as well as 10th class NCERT. Which of the following is the correct order of relative reactivities of metal? Calcium, aluminium, mercury as well as gold. So if you look in the reactivity series of metal of class 10th NCERT, then you will see one reactivity series is given there, where potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium. This is how the series goes. Okay, potassium will have high reactivity, after that sodium. So while looking in this reactivity series, we can mark this answer as A. Calcium will be, see here it is calcium, here aluminium, mercury, and then gold. Okay, so this is how the reactivity series goes. Next is bronze in an alloy of, it is alloy of copper and tin, and you can see it is in again metal and non-metal. So they have asked around two to three questions from the same chapter, right? Which of the following is functional group of methyl butanoate? So it is ester, and you can cover this from class 10 science chapter carbon and its compounds. Next question. Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of, so it was responsible for the discovery of atomic nucleus. Again from the same chapter, structure of the atom. Animal fats generally contain, so they generally contain saturated fatty acid. You can read this from biomolecule chapter of NCERT, chapter 9 of NCERT. Which of the following is not the ordinance making power of the governor? For 11, the answer is C. The governor himself herself shall not be competent to withdraw the ordinance at any time. Article 243D of the Constitution of India provide reserve seat in panchayats for, so they provide reserve seat for SC, ST as well as women. So you will read this in 10th class social science book, as well as I have given one link for this. You can read this, you can go through this link if you want to read more about it. Which of the following is not a power of Lok Sabha? So they cannot initiate procedure for the removal of Vice President of India. It is given in the legislature chapter of the NCERT, where they have mentioned clearly the powers of Lok Sabha. Next is, which of the following does not describe civil society suitably? Okay, so it is C. It does not assert autonomy for the state. It is given in the NCERT solution for class 12 sociology chapter 6. Okay, which of the following is not the subject matter of channel of intergovernmental relations? So it is D. The program of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is implemented by, so this is from the current affair or government schemes, right? So it is for the Ministry of Jal Shakti. These are the financial powers of the governor. So for 17, the answer is C. All three are the power of governor. You can write it down. It will help you in the future exams. And also I have given one link. You can follow this if you want to read it more. And it is also written in the chapter 7 of federalism of NCERT. You can follow this chapter for this topic. So which of the following statement about the Election Commission of India is not correct? So this question is directly asked from the Election and Representation chapter of the NCERT. So answer is D. इलेक्शन कमीशन क्या कर सकता है? ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को सिंबल्स देता है, राइट? और क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास पावर होती है कि वो डिसीजन ले सके कि जो इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं वो फ्री और फेयर मैनर से हो रहे हैं, उसमें कोई भी ये धांधागर्दी नहीं हो रही. थर्ड इज, इलेक्शन कमीशन इम्प्लीमेंट दी मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, है ना? तो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट इलेक्शन कमीशन कभी भी लगा सकता है, या जिसके बाद जो है कोई भी पार्टी आके उस पर ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं लगा सकती है, या फिर कोई उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हो सकता अगर एक बार कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लग जाता है, जैसे कि कल लगा है पंजाब में. Which of the following is are the function of Niti Aayog? So this is again from the government scheme as well as the current affairs. The answer is 1, 2, 3. All three are correct. So you can follow this if you want to read more about the objective as well as the features of Niti Aayog. Which committee of the Panchayati Raj recommend a two-tier system by removing the block level bodies? So it is Ashok Mehta committee, and you will read this in the class 11 political science chapter 8. Which one of the following appoints the advocate general for a state? For 21, it is governor of state. You will read this in judiciary chapter of NCERT, as well as it is given in the class 10 NCERT of social science. It is directly written over there. I will share the picture where it is written in the Telegram group. Okay. Which one of the following is the function is not assigned to the National Development Council? So for 22, it is C, to prescribe guideline for the formulation of the state plans. So it is given in the plan development chapter of the NCERT of class 12, political science chapter 9. The self-respect movement was started by, so it was started by the E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, and it is given again in the NCERT. So you see, most of the questions are from NCERT, so that you can easily score around 30 or more than that, like if you strictly follow NCERT only. So it is from Women, Caste and Reform chapter of the NCERT. Next is, Forward Bloc Party was formed in the 1940 in the state of Maharashtra, and again it is given in the NCERT class 10 civic solution chapter 6 of political parties. Next, the headquarter of the CIL or Coal India Limited, a Maharatna PSU under the Ministry of Coal, is located in the Kolkata. Which one of the following is peat producing wetland? So it is bogs. The decade of 2021 to 2030 is declared by the UN as the decade on ecosystem restoration. So it is given in the environment and natural resources chapter of the NCERT. Which one among the following is not a reason for low biodiversity? So it is abundance of ecological Nike. It is given in the biodiversity and conservation of chapter of the NCERT. Has the highest concentration in the atmosphere. So it is argon. For 30, the temperature inversion most frequently occur in lower troposphere, and it is given in the solar radiation and heat balance chapter of the NCERT. Which among the following has the maximum albedo? So it is D, clouds. Which among the following statement is not correct? So it is B, the north-south temperature gradient are much steeper. So they are not steeper in winter. Okay. Which among the following has the negligible role in the evapotranspiration? So it is atmospheric pressure. It has no role. It's true about the hyperthermophile microbes. So it is B, 2 and 3 only. It is given in the class 12 biology chapter 10, microbes and something like that is written. If you directly Google this, then you will find this PDF very easily. Plants which survive by withdrawing water from their cells to prevent ice formation during extreme cold up to minus 40 degrees Celsius are known as, so they are frost resistant. A growing population cannot increase indefinitely at a geometric rate because a given habitat has a carrying capacity. This type of growth is known as, so this is C, logistic growth. It is given in the class 12 biology population chapter. Which of the following is not a condition necessary for the natural selection to occur? So for 37, it is B. Organisms should not vary in their characteristics within a species. It is given in the class 12 biology chapter, which is evolution of life. Which of the following is not an attribute of the land races? For 38, it is they don't have specific time of seeding and date of maturity. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of the mangrove? For 39, it is B. Mangrove habitat obstruct the growth and establishment of the other organism. So it is given in the natural vegetation and wildlife chapter of the NCERT. The natural rainwater has pH value of A, 5.6. Next, which of the following is true about the ozone hole? So it is the loss of stratospheric ozone over the Antarctica. So it is given in the environmental issues chapter of the NCERT as well as environmental chemistry. It is again chapter of NCERT. Next is Montreal Protocol ratifies. So for 42, it is A, restricting the production of CFCs, or it is given in the environment and natural resources chapter of NCERT. An ecotone generally refers to the integration of two ecosystems of graded evolutionary levels. So it is given in the organism and population chapter of the NCERT. Naturally occurring greenhouse gases keeps the earth warmer nearly by 33 degrees Celsius. Thermal population is discharge of waste heat into the atmosphere or ocean from increasing use of energy. Next is cultivable land which is left uncultivated for more than a year but less than 5 years is known as fallow land other than the current fallow land. So it is given in the land resources and agriculture chapter of the NCERT. Which of the following is classic example of entrepot port? So it is Singapore, and it is given in the class 12 geography book, which is NCERT solution chapter 9. Next is roughly conical hills composed of sorted glaciofluvial deposit are called as, so these are called as schemes. So as I've told you earlier also in previous videos that landforms of glacier is very important. So you must know all of them. Okay. So it is from landform and their evolution of chapter NCERT. Which one of the following river basin has highest level of groundwater utilization? So it is Mahanadi. The Fujita intensity scale developed by the late T. Fujita is used for the measuring the intensity of Tornadoes. Urban sprawl take place when a rural area expands into the neighboring city. The headquarters of the East India Railway of India is located in Hajipur. Which one of the following countries is not a member of SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Agreement? So it is from the contemporary South Asia chapter of the NCERT. Okay, you will find this topic over there. So answer is C, Myanmar. Saffron is cultivated in which type of soil, or you can also say saffron. So it is in the laterite soil. Geography chapter of the NCERT. Singrauli coalfield of India are located in MP and UP. And next is very strong air current in the upper air westerlies are known as the jet streams. So it is given in the atmospheric circulation and weather system of chapter of NCERT. Which Asian country is characterized by negative population growth? So it is Bangladesh. Sorry, it is Japan. A spit can be defined as the beach of sand or shingle linked at one end to the land. ठीक है जी, तो ऐसे आपने देखा होगा, और यहाँ से ऐसे अगर थोड़ा ये पोर्शन बन जाता है, इसको हम क्या बोल देते हैं, स्पिट बोल देते हैं। तो ये किससे, लैंड से जुड़ा होता है एक पार्ट से, राइट। प्री monsoonal rainfall in India known as mango shower occur in the coastal areas of Karnataka. You will read this in climate chapter of NCERT. Which one of the following statement about Marajo Island is not correct? So it is world largest river island. It is not correct. Which of the following is not the correct unit of power? It is Newton per meter. A copper rod of length 1 meter is initially at room temperature if the temperature of rod is increased by 100 degrees Celsius. So I have solved this question in my Telegram channel. You can refer that. Okay. Regard to property of X-ray is correct. So X-ray are electromagnetic waves, and you can cover this topic from the class 10 science book. Okay. A ray of light strike a glass slab from air. Which of the following is not correct? So for 64, answer is the frequency of light in glass is less than that in air. So it is not correct. Which of the following statement with regard to ultrasonic wave is not correct? So for 65D, ultrasonic wave can travel through vacuum. It is not correct. The process that is responsible for the generation of energy within the core of the sun is, so it is due to the nuclear fusion. Next, which of the following waves has longest wavelength? So it is C, infrared radiation. This question I have solved in my Telegram channel. You can follow that. This also I have solved. Which of the following is not a unit of pressure? So for 70, it is D, Newton per meter. James Princip is given credit for deciphering the script used in B, Kharoshthi. So it is given in the King's Farmer and Town chapter of the NCERT. You can follow this chapter for this question. Next is Tamilakam. The name of the ancient Tamil country include beside the Tamil Nadu parts of the present day. It is A, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. So it is again given in the King Farmer and Town chapter of the NCERT. The Malfuzat literature is discourses by Sufi leaders. So it is given in the Bhakti and Sufi tradition chapter of the NCERT. Which among the following was made responsible for framing the Constitution of Free India? So for 72, it is Constituent Assembly. Which of the following was not the fallout of Gandhiji's salt satyagraha? So it is D, declaration that no Indian should serve in the British Indian government. The Lahore session of Congress held in 1929 was famous for. So it is famous for the starting no rent, no tax campaign by Congress. Okay. Sorry, for the adoption of Purna Swaraj, not starting no rent, no tax campaign. You can follow NCERT class 10 SST book of chapter 3, nationalism in India, for this. Okay. For question 77, Tuhfatul Hind, written by the Mirza Muhammad ibn Fakhruddin Muhammad, is a text on, so it is a text on, see, musical theory, and Pulakeshin too belong to which dynasty of rulers? So it belongs to the Western Chalukyas. And you can follow New Empire and Kingdom chapter of NCERT for this. Okay. Who among the following foreign travelers was appointed Qazi of Delhi by Muhammad Tughlaq? So for 79, it is Ibn Battuta, and it is given in the Through the Eyes of Travelers NCERT chapter. Which of the following pair of author and literary work is correctly matched? So for 80, it is B. Kalhan for Raja Tarangini. Raj Tarangini. Okay. So chapter 11, New Empire and Kingdom. Again, 2-3 questions are asked from the same chapter. Which of the following inscription record the history of Guild of Silk Weavers? So it is D. Dholi Rock inscription. So it is from the Kinship, Caste and Class chapter of the NCERT. The first coin to bear the name of images of rulers was issued by the, so for 82 it is, see, Indo-Greeks. It is given in the King, Farmer and Town chapter of the NCERT again. Which of the following pair of terms, and meaning is correctly matched? So it is Uzavar. It is given in the class 6th social science, vital village, thriving towns. Okay. You see, they are asking from class 6th NCERT question 2. Which of the following statement about Government of India Act 1935 is not correct? So for 84, answer is Congress formed coalition government in 2 provinces. So it is given in the Framing the Constitution chapter of NCERT as well as the Constitutional Design chapter of NCERT. Constitution why and how of NCERT, it is also given there. The ancient Sanskrit text used the term Kula to designate the families. Okay, बोलते थे ना कुल है. So it is given in Kinship, Caste and Class chapter of NCERT. Which of the following statement about immunization is correct? So for 86, it is B. In immunization, infectious agent is killed through the immune system. So it is given in the vaccination and immunization chapter of the NCERT of class 12. It will not written as vaccination and immunization. I think it is written something like that, vaccine and diseases like that. Hydrochloric acid is produced in which of the following organ of human body? So it is stomach. In mammalian cell, protein is synthesized on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Reptilia include animal which are cold-blooded, have scales, breathe through lungs. These include, for 89, it is D. Snake and turtles. Tendons connect muscle to bone. So for these, to cover this general science part, I have made one video in which is of around 25 minutes, and it will cover whole general science up to class 10th. Okay, so you can easily attempt these type of questions after reading from that video. Okay, and these are the 4 or 5 questions which has directly came from my video which I made last year for general science. Next is tissue is formed from cell. Tissue is formed from cells in which most cells are similar in structure and function. The cell associated with receiving and conducting impulses are, so these are neuron. Arteries are the blood vessels which they carry blood away from the heart. Okay. Which organelle of eukaryotic cell has DNA? So it is C. Mitochondria. So this question also directly came from my video. This question also came from my video. So that video is very important for general science part. You can watch that. Proteins are made from atom of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and some also contain sulfur, phosphorus. So molecule made up of these atoms that synthesize protein are known as. So for 95 it is amino acid. 96 sustainable development is defined as the development that meet the need of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. So this well accepted definition of sustainable development was put forth in uh, given by this commission. G20 is a forum of countries that intend to promote global economic stability and sustainable growth. Which among the following group of countries does not form a part of the forum? So these are Ireland, New Zealand, and Sweden. Ayushman Bharat, again, a question from this question is from current affair. This question is from government scheme Ayushman Bharat. So it is A. All are correct. For 99, it is B. For 100, so these questions are from government scheme and current affairs. Okay, MSME was very famous topic at that year. So likewise, this year you can expect questions from Olympics, from elections. Okay, for 100 it is D. All are correct. For 101 it is D again. All are correct. For 102 it is B. 1 and 3 is correct. Which of the following is statement for poverty is correct? So it is again from the NCERT of class 10 chapter. Okay. For 103 it is A. Poverty line is determined by the monetary value of the minimum calorie intake. So the group which regularly move in and out of poverty is called as, they are called as churning poor. So the following is not correct with regard to the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana. So again, government scheme question. So it is a pension scheme for organized workers. So these government scheme are basically from year 2019. So like this exam held in 2021, right? So this government schemes they are asking from 2019 to 2020. So for 2022, you can prepare government scheme for 2019, 2020 as well as 2021. Okay. Which of the following is not a member of country of Five Eyes Intelligent Overnight Oversight and Review Council? So for 106, it is India. Kayakalp award was given annually by the Ministry of, so it is given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Which of the following was the theme of One Planet Summit? See, for the exam of 2021, they are asking question from the current affair of 2021. So similarly for 2022, they can ask from the election as well as the Olympics. So for 108, it is D. Let's act together for nature. So they can ask what was the theme of Olympics, what was the slogan, what was the logo, who won which game. The objective of National Youth Parliament Festival is to hear the voice of youth between. So for 109 it is 18 to 25 years. Web Ratna Award was renamed as, so it was renamed as Digital India Awards. The inaugural edition of the Coastal Defense Exercise Sea Wiggle was conducted in the year, it was conducted in 2019. Again, current affair question from 2019-2020. India First Pollinator Park was opened in, so it was opened in Uttarakhand. Which of the following CMD of the Serum Institute of India Private Limited? So it is Dr. Cyrus S. Poonawalla. The Collab CAD software is jointly launched by the NIC and CBSE. So the following statement on climate of India is not correct. So it is during the year 2020, the monsoon season rainfall over the country as a whole was below normal. So Puliculum is an indigenous breed of cow whom the following president of USA resigned before he could have impeached. Okay, so it is A. Richard Nixon. Next is recently DRDO developed and handed over a bike case casualty transport emergency vehicle to the CRPF. What is the name of that vehicle? So it is Rakshita. According to the recent report by the Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, how much of the India total geographic area is covered as protected areas? So it is A, about 5%. Again, current affair question. Which of the following statement with regard to the World Immigration Report 2020 prepared by the UN is not correct? So for 120 it is D. China was the top remittance recipient country. Again, a current affair question. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Do like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.